Here's a Snap Mount Pro edition for the GoPro 10. So on the Pro version, you get basically two of these. The magnet's really strong. So you get two of these. That doesn't come with the regular edition. The regular edition only comes with this. Alright, so I needed this so I can clip it into my tripod or unipod. So when I ride my uni, I usually have it clipped right over here, which so it stays pretty much put, and I'm able to capture whatever's in front of me. Problem is, if I wanted to go from here to my tripod, right, I would have to screw it in, but with this Pro setup, you just attach this one. So now if I go from here to here, oops, and it's pretty strong. It's not gonna fall out at all. Need a good amount of force, but yeah.